Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about nanotechnology. What is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is a multidisciplinary science that helps us manipulate matter at a molecular and atomic level, from how small it is. To be able to work with nanotechnology is that we have to work with it at a nanoscale level. This means we are working with something that is 1/100000th of a meter. Just imagine how small that is. Because of how versatile nanotechnology is, we are able to apply it and insert it to many things in our everyday lives, such as medicine, electronics, our environmental surroundings, and also everyday consumer products. In medicine, nanotechnology is being developed to be able to deliver many various substances to specific types of cells in our body. Nanotechnology is used in medicine in two different ways. It's either used to diagnose a disease or to be able to fight the disease, or like deliver the drugs to your system. The ways that nanotechnology is able to diagnose a disease is by different types of system. The first type of system is a nanoliter system. It is known as a lab on a chip. It's a device that automates a biological process using fluids at a nanoliter scale. We also have quantum dots. Quantum dots are nano-sized semiconductors that can be used as biosensors to find a disease. Quantum dots can also be used to tag a diseased cell. We have the antibody conjugates. They are branched nanomolecules with antibodies on their ends for diagnosis of HIV and cancer. Also, we also have for delivery of drugs in medicine through nanotechnology. We have nanocapsules. Nanocapsules are pods that capture drugs, which ensures the drugs are released more slowly and steadily in the body, instead of releasing it on a fast pace like we do nowadays. We have liposomes. Liposomes are artificial vessels made up of a lipid bilayer so they can fuse with and penetrate membranes easily. They have been used to treat diseases such as cancer, fungal infections, hepatitis A, and influenza. We have dendrimers that are tree-shaped synthetic nanomolecules. They carry drugs in the tips of their branches. We also have the attapulgite clays. These clays are nanometer-sized pores that are ideal for filtering out harmful bacteria from water and also the blood. Nanotechnology also provides different types of alternatives for injectable vaccines, which makes it easier for the vaccines to enter our body and be more efficient. Nanotechnology is also used in electronics. It is used to help reduce the weight and power consumption of electronic devices. It is also used to reduce the size of the transistors. So when it reduces the size of the transistors for your phones, which will help in improving the screens and increasing the memory. Researchers at Stanford University have demonstrated a method to make functioning integrated circuits using carbon nanotubes. In order to make the circuits work, they developed a method to remove these metallic nanotubes and substitute it with carbon nanotubes. Also, other than the carbon nanotube, they also had semiconducting nanotubes. As they also developed an algorithm to deal with the misaligned nanotubes. The demonstration circuit they made in this university lab contains 178 functioning transistors. It is all because of how small the nanotubes are. That's why they were able to create a circuit that can fit so many transistors in it. So many resistors in it. Another use for nanotechnology is in our environment. It helps us remove existing pollution, also helping to reduce new pollution, and makes energy sources more cost efficient. The way nanotechnology helps us eliminate these existing pollution is by using iron nanoparticles that are effective in removing the organic solvents by decomposing it. Also, nanotechnology can be used as nanoclusters instead of these propylene oxide, which creates the propylene oxide creates plastic and paint in a way that is harmful for the environment. So we are using these nanoclusters to help it to make plastic and paint, but in a more in a way that will help the environment and not destroy it. Also, nanotechnology is also found in everyday products like skincare products, hair growth products, and lithium-ion batteries. Antaria is a sunscreen that is made with zinc oxide nanoparticles that block ultraviolet rays. And they are even better than the normal sunscreen that we use because it's not harmful to your skin. There's also another skincare that's called Lifeline, which also uses nanoparticles. However, for every use of nanotechnology, it also has some disadvantages in it. It can cause a crash in the market because it will lower the value of oil, diamond, and fossil fuels, since there will be different energy sources. And the way that it will lower the value of diamond is by diamond will be easier and faster to make. So also another disadvantage is that can be a major security risk is atomic weapons. Atomic weapons can be made more accessible and more destructive than they are now. So as mentioned above, everything has pros and cons to it, to nanotechnology, and the way we decide to view it. Nanotechnology is revolutionizing the industry. It is just the way we decide to use it. Thank you so much.